Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're good to you. So today I have a huge unboxing, as you can see. Yes, the boxes are getting bigger and bigger. Haramain kindly sent me this box fragrances to review. Today is going to be unboxing our first impression, and this is it's called Haramain Amberwood collection, and there are 4 fragrances in here. So the first one is going to be Haramain Amberwood Gold Edition. The second is Haramain Amberwood Blue Edition. The third one is going to be Haramain Amberwood White Edition. And then the last one of these is Haramain Amberwood Carbon Edition. And they all are 60 ml and they all are Eau de Perfume. Okay, so without further ado, let's do this. Before we go forward, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or entertaining in any way, shape, please hit those buttons. You know what to do. And this way you help me, you support me, you encourage me to do more videos like this and bring you fragrances in future and review them. Thank you very much, and let's go. So, huge box, and then it should be like this. Okay, and it opens up this, and it says Haramain Amberwood Collection, and there is a story there. I don't read the stories. I want to smell the real stuff. Okay, and then it comes like a beautiful box. So close this one, put it here, and it's like a zip, it's like a sleeve over it, and then you open it, and wow, look at that! It's a wooden box. Oh, don't break things. Okay, so it's a wooden box like this, and this is the sleeve. Okay, so we put the sleeve here for now, and then it opens like an old Samsonite. How do you open it? Okay, and oh, some of them are broken. Okay, the amber oud is broken, unfortunately. Never mind. I thought I'd smell something. Anyway, so the amber oud is broken, but we have the Haramain Amber Oud, and this is White Edition. And we have the other one, which is Amberwood Blue Edition. Just have to be careful not to basically cut myself somewhere. So this is going here. Okay, and then this one is okay as well. So 3 of them are okay, 1 of them is broken. Never mind, things happens. And this one is called Haramain Amberwood, and this is the Carbon Edition. Alright, I'm closing this because at the moment it's a bit dangerous. Okay, so the box itself is amazing. Look at that. Gorgeous wooden box, very cute. And the back of it is like a velvet effect. It's got a handle. It's like a briefcase, and here is like an old Samsonite briefcase. You got the code and you know how you open the box. Okay, so let's go through this and we'll see. Okay, so let's start with the white one. Alright, there's bits of glasses some places, so I have to be careful not to cut myself. Okay, alright, so This one is called Al Haramain Amberwood, and this is white edition. They are all 60 ml Eau de Perfume. Very beautiful presentation, gold all over it, and the back is see-through, but in front is a gold plate. Yeah, it sounds like a metal plate, and the atomizer is golden. And here we go. Very, very good atomizer. Al Haramain always makes good atomizers. Okay, so first impression for Al Haramain Amberwood White Edition. Here we go. First impression. Ooh, floral. Very floral. Sweet floral. Ooh, orange blossom, massive. Rose. Jasmine. On top there's a big citrus like bergamot, lemon, grapefruit, even mandarin orange. So there's so many citruses on top. It makes it super citrusy right now. It's like, and it's very realistic. It's like you just chopped some citruses and you put them in the basket and you smell them. Superbly fresh. So this is a fresh fragrance, but citruses are huge in the beginning for first impression, and the florals are big. So these two right now are very, very big. There's a woody backbone to it, some underlying muskiness as well. What a beauty. Reminds me of something. What reminds me of? Very, very strong. It's just, I smell this easily very many times. So, oh, okay. So it's for right now, for first impression, first sniff. The reason I know it because my wife is a big fan of this fragrance. Not this in particular. The one is, you know, close to, and that is what's his name? The Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. Okay, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle Eau de Perfume. It's very, very similar to, because she's a big fan of that one, and I bought her many bottles of that, and I am very, very familiar with it because she's been wearing it for years, on and off. And this is very similar to that. I'm not sure if it's a copy of it, but it's very similar to it. So the first sniff, the first time I smelled it, I smelled this many times, and then the association came. So yeah, very close to Coco Mademoiselle by Chanel. Okay, and Eau de Perfume edition. Almost it reminds me of it. Okay. But first impression, yes, very beautiful. But if it is a copy of Mademoiselle, Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, then this is a little bit on the feminine side. Although, if you like a fragrance, wear it. If you don't like it, don't wear it. I always tell people, sex doesn't mean anything in fragrances. The smell is a smell. You like it, you like it. And I absolutely adore it because I know my wife loves it as well. And 60 ml for what you're paying here, the quality is amazing, because Coco Chanel Mademoiselle is around £120, and this is under £50. But so you can make the calculation. Anyway, for first impression, first sniff, this is amazing. Huge citrus, white florals, big white florals like orange blossom. There's a rose in here, there's jasmine in here, and also underlying muskiness and woodiness. And it's beautiful for now. For first impression, this is absolute banger. Very, very beautiful. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is this one is Al Haramain Amberwood, and this is BLEU edition. So again, same design, the metal pack and the very, very metal heavy cap. The only thing is this time the see-through bit, which is the glass, is blue color, and very, very heavy metal cap, and the atomizer is gold again. Okay, good atomizer as always with Al Haramain. And here we go. So this one is the Haramain, Amberwood, and this is Blue Edition. First sniff, first impression. Okay, so it looks like this collection is going to be all about Chanel, because this one is very close to Bleu de Chanel. The first sniff hits you, it's just like, okay, this is Bleu de Chanel. Very fresh, very aquatic, fruity. At the moment, that grapefruit and the ginger is very big. Yeah, underlying aquaticness, it's aromatic, it's big in lavender. Yeah, basically Bleu de Chanel, but not the EDT. This is like more like an EDP version of Bleu de Chanel, because the EDP is a bit deeper, it's a bit rounder and a bit thicker. So this, it reminds me of the EDP version of Bleu de Chanel. Again, retail for that one is £120. This is under £50. You make the calculation. The only thing is, these are 60 ml bottles, and the quality is there. The quality matches Chanel, no problem, because sometimes what happens, you go and buy a clone, a copy, or an inspiration, but the quality lacks. Okay, here, no, the quality is like Chanel. If you put this one on yourself and you go out, nobody will suspect this is not Chanel. They always think this is Chanel. Okay, so first thing first, it was Coco Mademoiselle Chanel, and this one is Bleu de Chanel by Chanel. Very, very good quality, very nice smell, little bit incensey, little bit earthy, little bit obviously the fruits are there, the citrus is there, his ginger is there, the aromaticness from the lavender is there, so everything is there. Even the mint is here. Yeah, it's minty as well. So Bleu de Chanel in a bottle for less than £50, and the quality is matching Chanel. Alright, let's go to the last but not least, first impression of this is Amberwood, and this is Carbon Edition. So this one, again, a metal pack, but this time instead of gold we have silver, and in the back is see-through with a very light golden color, almost no color to it, but a tiny tinge of color to it, yellow, and heavy cap, the metal, and this time the atomizer is carbon, so it says carbon, so it is about like a graphite color. And let's go here, very good atomizer. Alright, so here we go. First sniff for Haramain Amberwood, and this is the Carbon Edition. Alright, another aquatic. This time it's green. It's almost herbal, but aromatic in the same time. Woody. The citrus is like lemony, bergamonty citrus in here. Okay, so this one quite similar to I think we are departing the Chanel here, and we're going towards Creed, and this is quite close to Green Irish Tweed by Creed. Okay, not exact copy, but it reminds me of it. It is greener and more aquatic than Green Irish Tweed. Green Irish Tweed, although it says green, it's quite light on the greenness. It's very, very heavy on the citruses. It's very heavy on the woods. It's heavy on the ambriness. But here, the emphasis is more on the basically the greenness, and you get less element of the aromaticness is very big in here. Yes, very, very aromatic. So greenish, Irishish tweed. I'm not sure. Maybe they went for another Bleu de Chanel that I haven't smelled, that it smells like this. I don't know. Yeah, very green, very aromatic, quite citrusy, quite woody. Little bit of aquaticness into it, underlying aquaticness. But overall, it's very fresh. Again, they're all fresh. They all these ones are very good for all year round, obviously, but better suited for warmer weather. And they all good quality here. Wow, this one is mesmerizing. It's very green. Okay, so far so good. First impression, so far so good. I absolutely love them. The only thing is, I will let you know in the next video the development, the longevity, and things like that. And also, I can't review the Amberwood Gold Edition because it's broken, unfortunately. Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining me. If you like what I do, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. And if you would like to purchase one of my own fragrances, I leave them in the description. I leave in the description where you can find these, hopefully. And if you have them, if you know them, if you try them, you can leave in the comments. Other people will read your comments and have your experience. That would be nice. And thank you as always for supporting me. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you later. Bye.